Welcome guys to the episode 26 of how we build a 5-story building. Here we are in the last floor, the 5th floor. Last week we poured slab here in this awning, kind of awning. Here we pour slab, we pour tie beams. Around here, a big parapet that is going to be the windows, and then we pour all the concrete tie beams inside this structure. Now we are installing with this big crane that is here. We're installing the beams, metal beams here, and on top of this it's gonna be the metal deck, and then we're gonna pour the last floor of concrete. That is gonna be the roof, actually, the higher roof. So please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell for more updates on how we build 5-story building. Thanks for watching.